Hello everyone. Welcome to Yon Rathanak channel. Today, I would like to show you 10 daily conversations.
1. What mostly can generate your concentration?
Hi, are you busy today?
Good morning. Actually, yes, but I think I can't do my assignment today.
What is the problem?
My neighbor keeps playing music all the time, and I'm distracted.
How about going to some quiet places? Like library?
Well, I wish I could, but I can't concentrate to do my work where people are around or chat.
Oh, I see. So what mostly can generate your concentration?
Depending on my mood, and also my condition. When I'm tired, normally I can't do my work well. Today I'm rather in bad mood. What about you?
I always have music on while I work. But in fact, I still can do any jobs in any places, any situations.
Oh, that's good. I can't stand noise or distractions when I'm trying to concentrate.
Why don't you just relax today, so tomorrow perhaps you have a good mood and more spirit?
Well, I think it's a good idea.
2. You don't need to be angry.
Oh, this is really ridiculous, you know? I hate this situation.
Hi, calm down, please. Don't be so emotional.
You just don't know what I feel. Everything is getting worse because of him.
Stop blaming other people. Be patient and think positively.
You know what? He forgot to book my ticket to join the seminar tomorrow, and the ticket is sold out. Can I still be calm?
Well, you don't need to be angry. Take a deep breath to control your emotion.
Okay, I'll take a deep breath. So, what do I do next? I'm still upset.
Next, think positively. Turn your anger into energy. And here we go. You can do the action for the next step.
You mean that I don't need to get the ticket? And I should get another seminar next time?
Yep, exactly. You can't change the situation anyway. So manage your emotion to feel better. If you can't change the situation, change the way you think. That's called emotional intelligence.
Emotional intelligence? Maybe I need to know more about it.
3. Where do you get the flour from?
Hi Lucy, what are you doing?
I am planting flowers. I want to make a small garden.
Where do you get the flour from?
I bought it in the nursery.
Is it expensive?
No, it isn't. The small one like this is 50 cents, and the bigger one is 100 cents.
How about orchid?
Orchid is a bit expensive. A good one can be $5 per piece. But you may buy the seeds and grow them slowly.
I also want to have a small garden, but now I don't have my own house yet.
Be patient. One day, you will have it.
Please pray for me.
Sure, I will pray for you.
4. What is the difference between this brand and that brand?
Good morning, sir. May I help you?
Good morning. I want to buy a motorcycle.
Would you like to have the manual or automatic one?
I want to have a manual one.
Please have a look. Here are some types of manual motorcycles from various brands.
What is the difference between this brand and that brand?
Each brand has its own benefit, sir. And at this moment, this brand is more famous than the others.
How much is this red one?
It is $1,500, sir.
How about the payment?
You can pay cash, by credit card or installment plan.
What is the installment plan?
It will be a fixed monthly payment of 12, 24, or 36 months.
Do I have to pay down payment?
Yes, sir. The down payment is 20% from the price.
Okay then, I will take this one, on the 36 months installment plan.
All right, sir. Please have a seat, and fill in this form.
Thank you.
5. I will wear my red gown.
Tonight, I will go to my friend's birthday party.
Oh yeah? What will you wear?
I will wear my red gown.
What? A red gown? You will look old.
Really? Isn't it good if I wear a red gown?
No, I think you are better to wear a soft-colored gown. Do you have a soft-colored gown?
Yes, I have, but I often go to a party in a red gown. This is the first time someone said I'm not good with it.
It's just my opinion.
All right, I will try to follow you. Tough, Nobody gave me any comment about the clothes I wore before.
I am so sorry if you don't like my comment.
Oh no, I appreciate it very much.
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
6. I want to take you to the cinema.
What are you doing?
I am not doing anything. Why?
Do you have time tonight?
I think so. I have nothing to do tonight.
I want to take you to the cinema.
Oh yeah. Is there a new good movie?
Yes, but I won't tell you the title now.
What time do we go?
How about at 6?
6 will be fine. Which cinema do we go?
We go to the Central Cinema.
Will you pay for my ticket?
Yes, of course. I just got some tips from the guest yesterday.
Okay then. Can you pick me up?
Sure. See you at 6.
See you.
7. He doesn't have any activity either.
You look tired today. What happens to you? Yes, I am very tired. I should move my things to the new room. May I help you? I don't have any activity today. If you don't mind, please help me to move my things from room number 6 to my new room. No problem. I will help you then. Let me also call my friend. He doesn't have any activity either. But is it no problem for your friend to help me? It doesn't matter. He is my best friend. I am sure he will be happy to help us here. Thank you very much for your help. You're welcome.
8. Don't you want to forgive me?
Why do you avoid me?
What do you mean?
When you see me, you always run avoiding me. Are you still angry with me?
Why should I be angry with you? I don't have any business with you.
What? You don't have any business with me? Why do you say that?
Is there something wrong with my words?
Of course you are wrong. I know you are still angry with me because I didn't come to the park yesterday evening.
Forget it. Don't make any appointment if you can't make it.
I am really sorry. My friend suddenly called me. He asked me to come to the school. I forgot to call you.
Really? I shouldn't have gone there if I knew that you wouldn't come. But I was too stupid.
What do you mean? I really wanted to come, but there was something I should do.
You are never serious in making an appointment. I actually have known it from before.
I am really sorry. Don't you want to forgive me?
Okay, just for this time. If you do it once more, our friendship ends.
Oh, you are so kind. Thank you very much.
9. Do you want to be a writer?
What are you doing? I'm writing. What are you writing? I'm writing a book. Writing a book? Do you want to be a writer? Yes, but I want to write a simple book first. What book are you writing now? I'm writing a book about the life of orphans. How can you have an idea to write a book about the life of orphans? I get inspiration from Oprah Winfrey's show. She arises a little thing on her show. I want to do the same thing. I want to write about orphans. And I hope many people will read my book. What do you expect after many people read your book? I hope after those people read my writing, they will realize that there are a lot of orphans who need help. All right. Hopefully all of your wishes will come true. Thanks for your prayer.
10. Do you know a good vet in this town?
Why doesn't your cat want to eat fish? Isn't fish a favorite food for a cat? I don't know. Since last week he doesn't eat like usual. It used to be 3 times a day, but now once or at the most twice. Even sometimes he doesn't eat at all. Have you taken him to a vet? Maybe today. The days before I was very busy. I will join then. I will take my dog to get vaccination. Oh yeah, do you know a good vet in this town? Not exactly, but last time, my father took my dog to the Goliath vet. Where is it located? Around 100 meters from the bus station. Is it expensive there? I think the price is similar to other vet. How if we go there this afternoon? Yes, we may go this afternoon.